So brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. Good morning, cousins. It's Saturday morning. I already know it's time for a chit chat. So grab a seat, grab that coffee, and sit your ass down. Wait a minute. First things first, I had to go get that man out of my mouth because, ooh. But now that I have his ass evicted, I'm going to go ahead and move into my son. I don't know why I can still brush his teeth every day and it's still a fight. The dentist said put him in the star. I did the star. The star like to choke them. I never did the star again. Thanks, Dr. Michael. Then I bought the little dinosaur brush that they, I guess, just close their mouth on and you just move it side to side. He's scared to death of that thing. He will not put that in his mouth. So it's a constant fight, but we got it done and on to the next task. Bugs, come on. Let's go make breakfast. And change that butt. Why you whining? Come on. Sit on your butt. So sit down. Sit. No, sit. Sit, boo. Come on.
Mama.
It's okay. Come
Dada.
on. Mm-hmm.
Dada.
Come on. Come on. Okay, I'm leaving. I'm going to cook breakfast. Okay, so I can already tell what kind of morning this is going to be. I don't know if you woke up on side A or side B, but as y'all can see, y'all know exactly where I'm at this morning. I got to keep it pushing. So this morning we're having potatoes, but I'm going to roast them. I'm not going to cook them on top of the stove. I'm going to put them in the oven. Sausage and some eggs, of course. But what I really, really want to share is, oh my goodness, for the past 4 nights, when I tell y'all Major has slept without the boob, like going to sleep without it, do you know how big of a, what do I want to call it? Like celebratory achievement, holy grail, whatever you want to call it. That's just where I'm at with it. I'm so liking it. So the weaning is working. I know I'm late on the weaning. I don't want to hear it, but it's hard for me. But I'm just giving you the update that we're getting somewhere. And during the day, he don't get on it at all. So I'm getting somewhere. I'm getting somewhere. Oh, and wait a minute. Another update on my man. So I've been taking baths lately by myself. Y'all, my boy sits on the toilet and sits there. He don't stick a foot in. He don't stick a toy in. He don't drop a booger in. It's just, this is what's really letting me know that my son is growing up. I don't really know how I'm feeling about it, but I am really liking the space. But then I didn't thought like, damn, so in a minute he ain't gonna want to touch me, hug me, kiss me, nothing. They grow up that fast. Okay, but on to the next subject. Enough about legs. So more on to me. I am really getting more settled in. When I tell y'all, it's like I've been living under constant fight or flight mode. That's how I feel because right now I am the most relaxed I felt. And it feels like a very, very long time. So I'm super peaceful and thankful for this feeling. I can definitely see the difference in Mage here, y'all. I'm telling y'all, the growth is there. I don't gotta tell him stop running, sit down, you're too loud. I don't gotta say nothing. And Jumanji, I was so tired of telling him to stop. He's a kid. He's gonna run, he's gonna stomp. But then when somebody was talking over top of me doing the same thing, I had no understanding. So, whew, just a peace of mind here. Ladies, go get that peace of mind. If you do nothing else, chase the peace of mind. Next video.